Welcome everyone, this is Mike with Bauer's Backyard, coming to you today from my kitchen. Now a couple of weeks ago, Matt from Meat Church pretty much broke YouTube with his smoked queso recipe. It was a phenomenal recipe. I actually tried it myself. The game changer on that one was the cream of mushroom soup. I know a lot of people now are actually using cream of jalapeno. My buddy James over at A1 and Claymore Smokers actually did a video on this himself. I'll put the link right here for you to check out. But today I'm gonna do my own version. I'm gonna be doing a Torchy tacos copycat recipe. Now I got this recipe from a book simply titled Queso. It's on Amazon. I'll actually put a link to that in the description of this. Super simple. I've done this before. It tastes just like Torchy's. Let's start the fire. All right, so the ingredients on this queso is quite simple, actually. Really surprised me considering how much I love Torchy's queso. So we're gonna do a half recipe on this because there's only 3 in my family. I'm gonna do 1 pound of Velveeta, which is about half this box, and 1 ounce of this ranchero queso fresco, and then 1 cup of green chili salsa. Now this salsa I did get in New Mexico, but I've seen it in several stores around Texas. If not, you can for sure order it off Amazon. Okay, so I have 1 pound of Velveeta and 1 ounce of the queso fresco. This pan's a little too big for the amount I'm cooking, but it's the only one I have, and I'm not about to put one of my good pots on the smoker. Got 1 cup of green chili salsa. Let's go put this on the smoker. Okay, so I have the TEC Bullseye up to 350. I may pull it down to 300. The reason why I'm cooking it on the Bullseye is 1, it's convenient. It's pretty much push button control. And 2, it's not gonna give me a heavy smoke flavor. Let's get this queso on. All right, we're gonna set it here for about 30 minutes and come back and give it a stir. Okay, so it's been on for about 25 minutes. I'm gonna check it out. Looking pretty good. Let's give it a little stir here. Hard to do with one hand. All right, we're gonna give this another 10, 15 minutes. Okay, I went ahead and wrapped the queso with a little bit of foil, so that way it doesn't penetrate too much smoke. I know my wife and my daughter probably wouldn't enjoy that too much, but this recipe is awesome. I cannot wait for y'all to see the finished product. It's easily one of my favorite queso recipes. So what's your favorite recipe? Go ahead and put it in the comments below. Maybe I'll try it in a future video. Let's take a look. Looking good, looking good. Sorry about that. I would say this is done. A little thicker than I like, but my family doesn't like it too runny. I would personally add just a little bit more green chili salsa. That's the beautiful thing about this. You can add it little or as much as you like. Let's go inside. All right, queso is off the smoker. We're gonna put just a little bit of this 1836 beef rib on top. Give it a little stir here. We are good to go. Let's get this in a bowl. All right, since this is a Torchy's copycat queso, we're gonna dress this up Torchy style. First things first, we're gonna do a scoop of guacamole. My guacamole recipe actually comes from Valentina's Tex-Mex in Austin, Texas. Basically just smashed avocado, a little bit of lime juice, and some sea salt. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of jack cheese on top. Now Torchy's has their own habanero sauce. I think it's called, shoot, I don't know, I'll put the link in the description. But they have their own habanero sauce. I don't have any of that, so I'm gonna be using this truff sauce. little sprinkle on top. It's time to dig in. This looks absolutely wonderful.
What first?
All right. Spot on for Torchy's. So you can give it a try. Try to get up the habanero sauce on there for you.
This is my favorite kind of queso, so.
Look at the camera.
My favorite thing ever.
All right, we'll recap these here in a minute. Thank you very much for watching today's video. That queso turned out phenomenal. The beautiful thing about this is if you're watching this and you don't own a smoker or a grill, you can do this in a pot on your stovetop, you can do it in a crock pot, an oven, whatever the case may be. It's pretty universal. We actually ended up thinning it out just a little bit. I put a little bit of milk in there, but you can also put in cream or even more green chili salsa if you want a little bit of extra kick there. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe. You have a great day. The fire is out.